Video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove pop-ups by the site Tuskel.live. Tuskel.live is a scary pop-up alert. It may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. Tuskel.live displays scary messages that try to encourage users into basically downloading some potentially unwanted programs. These pop-ups are totally fake and really deceptive. Don't trust them. Just leave this page. Also, we strongly advise that you carefully investigate your computer with the help of reliable antivirus, because these pop-ups could be related to some adware on the system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to effectively identify and delete such adware. You may get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. So download it, install it, and then begin carefully examining the system with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.